So good luck.
Okay. And besides, today is one of the weirdest news days. Lots and lots of animal news.
It's like we have the right lanes blocked. Southbound is looking okay. And then heading towards the East Bay for Tracy, westbound.
You reach a point where they look at each other and go, I just can't sing I'm a little bit country. You're
shaped like a banana, hit the G spot simple. You be in my dreams, and in my dreams I made you 2,000 on jeans, and you can be all in them.
Too close to a driving.
Our buddies at Napa, 5-quart jug of Napa full synthetic motor oil and a Napa premium platinum oil filter, just $21.98. So, change your own oil. Well, here's your opportunity to save some money. Do it the right way. Now, Napa full synthetic.
I know I can be most won't be. Turn out the light. Just say goodnight to yourself. May I?
Some losing more on a boring show to find his country didn't want him back. That Lucas took his best friends in Saigon. I know he took his wife, his kid.
Limit 1. How about a Smith & Wesson M&P Shield with fiber optic sights for only $319.86? There are way too many deals to mention, so get there early. Doors open at 8 a.m. Get the gear you...
It makes her think of me. And that night we left our hearts on the sleeves and the clothes all over the floor.